Welcome back to a new video with the CNO family. Right now we're in the car. We're heading to West Palm Beach. Guys, you already know where we're heading. Letty, where we're heading?
We're going to see
Guys, we're going to Fuel Fest, one of the latest car shows in South Florida.
and we're
You know
gonna
where
get
all the Fast and Furious cars gonna be at. One of your favorite cars, right, babe? What's your favorite car? Silky's car, the little pink, the pink Honda. Guys, we're gonna see them. We're gonna see them all today, guys. So, guys, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to the whole video. Right now, we're with the whole crew on the highway. We're heading up there right now.
and you guys, the whole reason we're going there is to see the cars and get some stickers.
Yeah, she wants to get some stickers, guys. That's her main thing, to get stickers. She wants to go finesse people for the stickers. Guys, stay tuned. We're like an hour away, so I have the 360 camera in the back. I'm gonna get some footage for you guys. So you guys stay tuned.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, guys. We made it to the parking lot of Fuel Fest. We got my cousin, we got Letty, we got my
I
girl.
got ducks.
We got the Beamer parked next to the arena where everyone's gonna be singing, I guess, or
I got ducks.
I don't know what the hell's gonna be going on there.
And I got ducks.
Well, we here, guys. We made it to Fuel Fest. We got the Beamer right here.
And I got ducks.
Got it cleaned up. They get Letty some ducks right now.
They people.
Letty, look, the car looks clean as hell, right? Guys, we're here at Fuel Fest. We're here early to let us in early. We're just gonna chill, go around before everyone else gets in. Letty, we're gonna see if people gives us stickers right now early before people start charging them.
For real, bro. They be charging like $10, $11.
But yeah, guys, yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go around. We're gonna see what we do right now. Probably get something to eat, or go look at the people that are getting their cars ready to drift. So
Or
stay
get
tuned.
stickers.
We'll get more stickers.
But let me put them in your back.
Put them in here. Put them in here. Look. We got my girl over there at the portable thing. She got the drift cars. Look at
I'm
it.
gonna give a shout out to the one and only
She
Jackson.
got the drift cars.
Brad
Look at
Davis trying to
them.
get him to
We
ride
got
an
two
electric
BMWs
scooter.
right here. This is the first crew we're coming up
But,
across
we're
right
gonna
now.
see- I wonder if I'll get any interference.
We got more groups right here.
Next to the drone guys.
Look at these other ones right here. We got an old Mustang that drifters, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, look at that Mustang right there. That thing drifters too. We got some other builds right here, guys. Look. This BMW, bro. Look at this one. M5. That's an M5, bro. Look at that. That's crazy, bro. Leaving the back seats. Leaving the back seats like that, bro. They gonna spin this porch too? So they're gonna be spinning the porch, dude. Babe, they're gonna be spinning the porch.
Huh?
They're gonna be spinning that thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to that one.
It's great. Look at the vet. We got everything out here, guys. They gonna spin this thing too. Look at the tires. Another Beamer. Got a Cadillac right here.
How did he come with me to the
We got another Mustang. This is a Mustang, right? Look at the motor, bro. It's insane. These tires, bro.
Okay.
Wow, these tires look cool.
You like that shit?
Guys, we keep walking around, but look at all these cars. We got Mustang. We got an Xfinity right here. We got fast cars, bro. The paint on this was pretty shiny, dude. Yeah, that's crazy. We need them. We might need them. Look at that. That's insane. Look at the other car. There's another BMW right here. That's a Beamer right there. It's a Beamer. Here at West Palm, we made it to Fuel Fest. We got Letty here finessing everyone with stickers. Look at it.
Everything was free. I didn't finesse them.
We actually found a cool tire company, guys. Check them out.
We're gonna get tires
some
from
off- they got
BMW.
some
But this is my stickers. These are my stickers.
Guys, right now we're checking out all the drift cars. There's a lot. We got Vets, we got BMW, we got Nissan, we got Xfinity, we got Mustang. What's the other one over there? Cadillac? We got Cadillac.
That's a 300, baby.
Got everything, guys. So yeah, stay tuned now. Because now one, they're gonna start drifting.
It's not even one. Because you woke us up early.
You got it? Drift car pulled up right here. Everyone's pulling out though. My cousin live on Twitch. I go follow him, man. Right now we're not even supposed to be here. Right now we're walking. We're here early, so we're getting a close look of all the cars that are gonna be drifting later. So later they're gonna be active. We're not gonna be able to see them. We're only gonna be able to see them on the track from far away. And now right now we're getting a close-up view of everyone. Bro, Nate, this one here, look. You found the same one as my girl, look. Look at this thing. The same one we got, bro. That's crazy. There's stickers on right now. Oh, they're still doing mechanic work. I want to see what he does, bro. Yeah, look at this engine right here. That's sick. Put a whole tent over the car, man. I seen him last year, dude. I remember him. He get one.
Okay, can you guys all hear me okay? Alright,
That's crazy. What do you want to do? This right here?
Please.
Guys, Letty wants to ride around these things right here.
Please. I really want to do this.
Letty, you know how to do that?
I do know how to do it.
No, you don't.
I do.
Look at that.
Come on.
That's crazy.
Please, Daddy.
Let's go.
Please.
We got the Lambo right here, and we got Lightning McQueen over here with a Porsche, bro. The thing is crazy. Check them out, man. Look. That's crazy. This is a 4Runner, right? That's a 4Runner. That shit's nice, dude. That's nice. Look at this car, guys. So it's a Subaru 800 wheel to the 800 wheel horsepower, 700 torque. What do you think about it, Letty? Y'all both eating, bro. The whole Q50 lineup right here with Midnight exclusive. Check them out. They got a whole nice lineup, bro. They got a nice lineup, dude. I already know this, dude. Dang, they got a nice lineup. Yeah, all the truck guys, that thing is nice. They got packed, bro. Remember, guys, we got in this event early. We paid the platinum ticket, so we get in here early before everyone. Now everyone's here. Now it's packed.
Now we're going to Corona.
Here, grab your water, Letty. I'm not carrying your water. Grab your water. Grab your water too, man.
No, this is hers.
No, this is mine.
Check out the motor. Clean build. He got LED lights in the inside too. It's a clean build. That gave me an idea, guys, to put LED in my motor too.
He's stranger danger. Get away.
Yeah, now look at these guys. Them Q50s are nice. That's a Q60 and a Q50. But check out the interior of this one right here, guys. Look at it. He brought his whole lighting and everything. That's crazy. Outside, everyone parked outside right now. Like, there's a lot of cars parked outside, but there's exclusive VIP cars parked over here. I don't know, like 500? Like 500, huh?
We went to one of these.
Oh, you want to park in here? Look at these cars, bro.
Daddy, remember we went here before?
The Subaru. But when we came here for Clean Culture, this whole thing was full of Lambos, Bugatti, all that shit. Look at this thing. All the cars are here. Babe, remember Clean Culture was way more packed? Teen Culture Day, I had cars all the way to the back, bro. Yeah. Look at Rolls Royce, a wide body Rolls Royce. That's crazy. Look at this guy. Check this out. A wide body Rolls Royce. That's insane. Big tire, dude. That's crazy. Got another car over there. Oh, they're drifting that up. They're going crazy. I'm not gonna lift up the door right now. The girl, we got Letty over there, we got Marco over there. Hey, you wanna do it? Right. Well, I thought, what do you think, man? They ain't gonna do that? Shit crazy. Yo. God damn. Guys, you see, that was all that 5.0, right? That was that Mustang, right?
How do we tell you?
That's why we went earlier over there, guys, and we checked out every guy that was drifting, that was gonna drift. So now we can just watch them, and you guys can just see which one we went to over there and saw. Now they're all active, bro. That's crazy, man. Close your eyes. That pink and white marble right there. Look at Lionel, guys, it's insane. I know you remember, guys, you remember them. We posted in one of our videos. But yeah. Guys, this thing is so clean, dude.
That gets me excited.
Look at the interior. All red. That's nice, dude. Look at the motor, guys. That thing is super clean, dude.
Man, oh man, we got Chris Jackson out there, amping everybody up. What's up? Oh, Fuel Fest, yes. West Palm Beach, make some noise!
Look at that Beamer, dude.
You got everybody amped up. Chris Jackson out here just straight shredding.
We're just walking right now. We were here since the morning. We were here since what, babe? Since 5 in the morning? Since 7, guys.
To be honest, I know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is there going to be a remix to the edition?
Yeah, you got more stickers.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I remember that guy said that the stickers might be free, so you gotta.
I don't like bullets.
This is where you guys came from.
That's all the lineup, guys. Look at it. All these people were out there spinning, dude. Maybe next year, guys, y'all comment down below if you want us to build like this so we go out and spin. That's crazy. Look at this one. He got underglow.
Daddy! Gotta go to them, remember?
Where's Brian at?
He's all the way back there.
Wait at. I know it's packed over here, bro. It's full over here. Where the hell they let it go, bro?
Yeah, this is what I got. Look, I got this one, and I got Karen. I got Karen. I got Karen.
Letty, look for a baby seat, Letty. Guys, look at this baby seat, guys. It's a racing baby seat. That's crazy. Guys, check out these custom seats right here. They're sick, dude. Racing seats, guys. The guy just can't sit down in the seat, bro. What the heck? Look at this Beamer right here. It drifters too. That's crazy. that Beamer was out there spinning, dude. He's about to go out there and spin. That thing is crazy, dude. That's an M3 and it's out there going crazy, bro.
You guys, look at my stickers I got.
She got more stickers, guys.
In one day.
Yeah, this Beamer, this is the car that, I don't know if I recorded it, but this is one of the cars that got crashed, look.
And I got a sticker from it.
He got crashed, dude. I don't know if he's okay, though. He's okay. He got crashed and then he went back on the road. He fixed it like nothing and went back out there. They took his door out. Damn. They took his door out, guys. I think that's the one that went to the hospital. Look, he wasn't like that. Guys, he wasn't like that when we first got here. He wasn't like that when we first got here. There's a GT right here, a GT4 drift car, dude. That's insane. This car's drifted, dude. Professional drift.
We're gonna figure this out.
I ain't see this one.
Ever. Who's the first time you see drifting? Raise your hand.
That's crazy.
You?
Look at Lexus right here. Nice Lexus right here. This is crazy right now. Look at that. You can't even hear me right now, but they're going crazy with it.
I got a plan. Okay, no, it's solid. It's solid. Hey, all I had to see was that it wouldn't move. That's all I needed. Now, the last thing I wanted was to go ass over tea kettle on her. Now we both have to do now. All right. Woo! All right, feel better.
Across this cool ass setup, bro. Got some fishes right there. Letty, what do you think about that?
Look at the body.
That's crazy, guys.
Wait everywhere. I want to do that.
Wait.
Yeah, everywhere.
Kick that bear, Letty. I dare you. There is fish in my trunk. Big boy over here, dude. Big turbo, dude. And he got a laptop, bro. That's great. He got a laptop, bro. Someone over there shooting planes, bro. Oh, hell no. Finally home from Fuel Fest. It was a long ass day. Letty is already playing her PC. But we're home right now. We made it home. It was late as hell, guys. And I don't know. It was really hot today and we were there since the morning. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like that, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're gonna be doing videos like that all the time. Now, my hair is a mess because it was hot as hell outside. I gotta go take a shower. But guys, stay tuned to the next video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So peace. See you guys to the next video.